Welcome home to 10221 Capitol View Avenue in Silver Spring. If you're looking for a house that's close to everything with plenty of room and a large fenced-in backyard, then this is the home for you. We have an open house every day. We just need 2 hours notice from you in order to get this amazing home ready for you to look at. There's 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a huge kitchen, and a spacious dining room. It's large and spacious, and there's tons of possibilities for this home. If you like the outdoors, you're going to love the fenced-in level backyard. You can sit back and relax on the oversized patio. It's perfect for entertaining or just having a quiet evening barbecue. And as a bonus, the patio's covered. This home has everything you could want and then some more. Natural hardwoods, oversized rooms, and tons of space. Go to www.10221capitalview.com or call 1-844-776-1831 or contact your real estate professional to set up your own private open house. Stop on by. If you're looking for a house close to DC, this is the house for you.